Boost conversions and keep fraudsters at bay. Replace CAPTCHAs with Turnstile. This video unveils how to integrate Cloudflare Turnstile with Paymattic for secure and seamless checkout on your WordPress store. Now, as you can see, we need the site key and the secret key to set Turnstile. You can get it easily from the Cloudflare website. As I have an account, I'm gonna log in. If you don't have an account, just sign up. In the dashboard, there's Turnstile. Just add your site domain. Also, set a site name for future reference. Play with the widgets as you want. I'm gonna just go ahead with everything as is. Here's everything that we need. I'm just gonna take these and place them on my site. And done! Now all you gotta do is enable it in your form. Let's take this form for example. In here, we can see the Turnstile settings. Enable it and save everything. And just like that, a frustration-free checkout experience for everyone, boosting conversions and keeping your sales flowing smoothly.